Owning a restaurant is tough. If disaster strikes, getting back open isn't as simple as flipping a switch. Most restaurant insurance policies only provide 12 months of business interruption coverage. But the reality, in today's world, 12 months often isn't enough to rebuild, restaff, and fully reopen after a major loss. At Preferred Insurance, restaurant clients we insure can get 24 months of business interruption at actual loss sustained. This means you're covered for the actual income you lose for up to 2 full years, giving you the time and financial support you need to come back stronger. Protect your dream, your team, and your future. Don't settle for less than the coverage you actually need. If you're unsure what your current policy provides, let's talk. It could make all the difference when you need it most.